What if I told you that most of the universe doesn't even exist in the way you think it does? Sounds impossible, right? The truth is stranger than any sci-fi story you've ever heard. Invisible forces shape galaxies, cosmic phenomena defy logic. And secrets hiding in plain sight could completely change the way you see reality. Imagine looking up at the night sky tonight and realizing that what you see is only a tiny fraction of what's really out there. Today, we're diving into 10 facts about the universe that will absolutely blow your mind, facts backed by real science but feeling almost magical. By the end, you won't just know these facts, you'll see the universe differently. And maybe even rethink your place within it. And stay until the last fact. Because it's so shocking that most people refuse to believe it. Ready to have your mind stretched across space and time? Let's begin. What makes up 95% of everything around us, yet we can't see it? Most of the universe consists of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious forces that dominate space but remain invisible to us. Scientists can only detect them through their effects on galaxies. Imagine holding a puzzle where 95% of the pieces are invisible. How could you possibly solve it? Astronomers map galaxies and notice they spin faster than expected, clear evidence that unseen forces are at work. And this invisible majority isn't just passive, it's actively shaping the fate of everything around us. But if you thought that was strange, wait until you hear how time itself can stretch, bend, and twist in ways that defy our everyday experience. Ever feel like time flies, or drags? The universe agrees. Time isn't fixed. Einstein's theory of relativity shows that massive objects, like black holes, bend spacetime, slowing it down. Near a black hole, a second for you could equal years for someone far away. Feeling like your workday is crawling? In the cosmic scale, it's nothing. Time is completely relative. And here's where it gets even stranger. Time can loop and twist, making events appear out of order. But the most mind-bending example comes next, a cosmic object that doesn't just bend time, it breaks all rules of logic. Black holes aren't just holes, they're gravity monsters. They devour everything, including light. And some scientists even speculate they might be gateways to other parts of the universe. And something beyond our comprehension. Imagine matter being sucked into a story you can't put down, never knowing where it will end. The largest black holes might even hold secrets that challenge everything we know about physics. And if black holes are this mysterious, the universe has even stranger surprises, like entire galaxies colliding in slow-motion cosmic chaos. What happens when entire galaxies crash into each other? Galaxies don't just float, they smash, merge, and birth new stars in the process. Our own Milky Way is slowly colliding with Andromeda in a dance that will last millions of years. Think of it like two crowded cities slowly merging, destruction and creation happening at the same time. These cosmic dances leave behind phenomena so bizarre they seem almost impossible to comprehend. And yet, while galaxies collide, the universe's strangeness isn't just massive, it's also microscopic. Tiny particles defy reality itself. Quantum physics reveals that particles can exist in multiple places at once and even affect each other instantly across light years. This isn't science fiction, it's the foundation of reality itself. Imagine texting a friend and instantly feeling their mood across the planet. That's entanglement on a cosmic scale. And these tiny, invisible rules may actually shape the fate of galaxies and black holes, connecting the very small with the incomprehensibly large. But let's move from the invisible and tiny to something eerily massive, rogue planets wandering the void. Rogue planets drift alone, untethered by stars, invisible except to the lucky few who detect them. They roam in complete darkness, like wanderers lost in a city at night, cold and silent. Some scientists even suggest that these lonely worlds could harbor life, hidden in places no one has ever imagined. And speaking of life, some cosmic conditions are stranger than anything on Earth, showing that reality is far more surreal than we realize. Every star you see is a time machine. Light from distant galaxies takes billions of years to reach us, showing the universe as it was long ago. It's like reading someone's diary from centuries past, frozen in time. The deeper we look, the more mysteries we uncover, some so profound they could rewrite the history of the cosmos. And the next fact is almost impossible to grasp: the universe itself is expanding faster than light. Space itself stretches, not just galaxies moving apart. Scientists call this dark energy, the mysterious engine pushing everything away faster than anything could travel. Picture a balloon inflating invisibly, galaxies drifting endlessly, carried along by a force we barely understand. This expansion could determine the ultimate fate of the universe. And it forces us to reconsider what empty space even means. And if you think that's wild, wait until we explore the possibility that our universe is only one among countless others. Some physicists theorize that countless universes exist, each with its own rules, timelines, and realities. Every choice you make could spawn a new universe somewhere, a cosmic game of what if playing out infinitely. If this is true, everything we know is only a fraction of the cosmic story, a tiny piece of an unimaginably vast puzzle. But the fact that will truly blow your mind comes last, a secret that ties all these phenomena together. Some theories suggest the universe might actually be conscious. Not just matter and energy, but awareness itself, with everything interconnected, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy. Imagine the universe as a giant neural network, sensing, reacting, and evolving constantly. If true, our place in the cosmos is far more profound than we've ever imagined. And that's the secret linking every mind-blowing fact we've explored today. Which fact blew your mind the most so far? Could you imagine living in a universe where time bends, galaxies collide, and planets wander alone? Comment below, I want to hear your thoughts. Stick around. Because the next time you look up at the night sky, you might see it completely differently. The universe isn't just vast, it's mysterious, strange, and far beyond our imagination. From invisible dark matter shaping galaxies to time-bending near black holes and the possibility of infinite universes, every fact reminds us of how small yet connected we truly are. The ultimate insight? Curiosity bridges what we know and what we can only imagine. Those mind-blowing secrets weren't just trivia, they're clues about reality itself. So the next time you look at the stars, remember, there's more happening out there than your eyes can see. If you want more psychology-backed, mind-expanding insights, hit subscribe. And always keep asking, what if the universe is even stranger than we dare to think?